Abuelo, inunang matutunan ng pumbreno, di yung puro lang maneho. Kasi yung ugali na sa musika o batang rap na kuha magtagumpay sa pareho. Sa came up with a pen. Salamat pa din dun sa mga duda sa amin dati. Duda nga ako sa duda nyo isense. Di kailangan magyabang ng mga shore. Abot pa rin naman ibang bansa yung mga show.
That was what we came. No believers really thought we were playing. Here's to the times when we came.
When we came,
No believers really thought we were playing.
but we came up with a bang. Now we got us in the game. Woo, 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 woo. Came in with a bang.
Came up with a motherfucker bang!
Bang. Now killers in the game.
Bang! Yes!
Stop, stop.
Now we came up with the bang. Goddamn, swerving through the fast lane. EMPH in his 10, you know we blockchain. So stop saying shit, you know we're not playing. What am I not saying? I'm shitting on the rap game. With the bullets, you never seen it, huh?
No.
Just di na kailangan ko ng metaphor. Is it unbelievable? Porque kami ay bisakot. Only we got kill our mama.
So patitirador.
That's what we can. When we came.
No believers really thought
We were playing. We were playing.
Here's something that was
When
when
we
we
came.
came.
Believers really thought we were playing. Now we came up with a bang. Hey, hey, hey. Kill us in the game. Good. Woo. Kill us in the game.
Salamat kayo sa maestro, bay. Pre. Salamat. Palakpakan to sa maestro. DJ. This Monday.
Next week din eh. Next Saturday na may battle ni Ploy sa Subic. Bye-bye.
Sa kapog.
Sa katayang kalaban, nakuha kay Amerikano.
Salamat kayo sa ako. Unang kanta, unang chill lang sa
Utahan na namin niya. Salamat.